The common mistakes in English and how to avoid them. The common mistakes in English and how to avoid them. Hi everyone! In this video, I will share with you how to use and avoid the mistakes in some daily topics. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest lessons. Topic: Communication. I watched a car accident yesterday. To watch also means to decide to give your attention to something for some time. You see something even if you don't want to. I saw a car accident yesterday. He said me that I was wrong. You usually use say without me, you, etc. He said that I was wrong. You can talk about what someone said to you. He said hello to me. If someone gives you information, you say, he told me that I was wrong, without to. He said that I was wrong. He told me that I was wrong. She explained me the problem. You have to say, she explained the problem to me. I often hear jazz at home. When you hear something, you don't decide to. It just comes to your ears. When you decide to give your attention for a longer period of time, you listen to something. I often listen to jazz at home.